Look at that ear, Meg. Look at it. Here, show everybody how beautiful you are, little one. Here you go. Here's your bottle. Look at the size, Ori. Hello, baby. Look at her. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Okay. There you go. There's the pair of you. There's the pair of you. In a milk coma. Look at him. You're in a milk coma, darling.
You going to sleep, sweetheart?
Oh.
I think he's feeling better and his eyes not so sore now.
No. Hello, darling. You got hair on your tummy? No, you haven't really, have you?
No
Little
sleep.
bit. Little bit. Look at that belly. Look at that little belly.
How's his hydration?
Let me just have a check. Okay, sweetheart, we'll roll you over. I know the indignity of it all. There you are. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Let's just have a look at you. I think you
It's
might
not bad,
be.
is it?
Not bad. There you are, darling. Yeah, I
He's had
know.
some fluids, some
There
cut
he
this
is.
morning.
Isn't he beautiful? You're going to do a little flap. Oh, ho, ho.
No, just a little stretchy.
There you are, beautiful. Show everybody your beautiful wing. Come on, show
Has he
it.
had a wipe over
Oh,
today?
no, he hasn't. There you are,
Oh, he's got a
lovely.
pooey bum too.
He has got a pooey bum, I noticed that. Well, you put food in, poo comes out.
Hello, sweetheart. Go to sleep. Good boy.
Yeah, get you.
It's a nice little squeaky.